to start this video, I got a box from Mary Kay from a girl named Mackenzie Mason, and she sent me all of these goodies. I'm going to link down below all of her information if you want to order anything from her, but I already opened it, so I know what is in here. So we're just going to pull this out. So this is the bag that it came in. This girl is so sweet and she helped me so much. She was basically letting me choose whatever I wanted, and she just wanted me to do a small review, and I am obsessed with these products. So the first thing that she sent me was the Lash Love Mascara, and of course it is in black. I would not ever wear any other color. My lower lashes and on the top, but I have falsies on so you can't tell. So the next thing was the illuminating drops. I am obsessed with these. She sent me the shade Golden Horizon, and I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand for you, but this is the cute little bottle and it comes with a little dropper. So you just push down to release and you push up to pick up, just like that. And I'm going to put some on the back of my hand for you guys. It is on my face, super glowy, right? So I'm just going to mix it. And that's what it looks like. So freaking pretty, right? I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Okay, so then the next thing that she sent me was a perfect palette. So it is just a palette that you can do several, I'm assuming like shadows and powders and stuff in. I don't really know. But this is what it looks like. So pretty. I love pink. So I guess you could put like something right here because I think it's magnetic. I'm pretty sure. So she sent me these 3 shadows and this blush. I will list the shades down below, but that is so cute and compact. It did come with the brush. Oh. So this is the brush. I did not use the brush, but she had it just sitting right in there. So it is a gel semi-matte lipstick, and it's in the shade Bashful You. And this is what the packaging looks like, and then the top is see-through. And that's what it looks like. Swatcher. So freaking pretty. Oh, I'm obsessed. So that is everything that she sent me. So if you want to see a review on these products, then just keep watching. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, my name is Brooklyn, and I'm so happy you are here, and I'm so happy you found my videos. So please subscribe, like, and comment before you leave, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so we have the brows done and the lids primed and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this eyeshadow look. Perfect palette. So it contains a blush and 3 eyeshadows, so we're going to open it together. I have never used these shadows before, so we'll just see how it goes. So it looks like that. And then you open it up, and it comes with one of these little brushes, which I don't think I'll use, but we'll see. These are the eyeshadows, and this is the blush. So we're going to create some kind of look with those 3 eyeshadows. I might not use all 3. Maybe we will just use 2 or whatever look we decide to do. Alright, so since I don't have a really good transition shade, I'm going to go in with the Sin Nudes palette from L&B Cosmetics, and I'm just going to use this fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go right in with All Natural, and that's what we're going to put in my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Adam and put that basically in the same spot just to deepen this up a little more. Alright, so I went ahead and put on some tape because we are going to try and do some liner. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is just a deep plum color, and this small little shader brush, and I'm going to start putting that in the outer V. Whoa, look at that. That's crazy. So I'm going to go in with some concealer, and we're going to cut my crease, and I guess we're going to do a purple look today. I mean, purple and gold don't really go together, but they're going to have to work. So I just put some concealer on the back of my hand, and we're going to cut my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to take this shimmer purple, and we're just going to put that all over my lid, and I'm going to apply it with my finger. So it's really sheer, but we can pack it up hopefully. Okay, so there's like no color payoff, and I'm like rubbing into this pan. So kind of sucks. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and go to this shimmer then, and we're just going to put that all over my lid. That's a lot better. That's so pretty. Okay, so there's that little shimmer. I'm just using my finger since I don't have nails right now. So I went ahead and went back to the Sin Nudes palette, and I just took this shade right here, which is called Skimpy. It's so pretty, and I went ahead and put that right on top of my lid as well. So the matte blended out really, really nice, but as for the shimmers, I didn't really like it that much, but that's totally okay. So now we're going to do some liner. So liner is on. I used the Stila liner. I will link it down below. But now we're going to go in with the Lash Love mascara that she sent me. And it just looks like this. And that's the wand. Alright, so Fancy Falsies reached out to me and they sent me these two sets of lashes. So these are in the style Stunning, and they're just big old lashes. And then they also sent me these in the style, almost said shade, style Diamond. So those are really fluffy and pretty. So I think I'm going to try these ones just because we have a very simple look. So let's do some crazy lashes. Alright, so obviously these aren't cut or anything, but I have one of each lash on because I just wanted to show y'all. So these are the shade Stunning, and then these are the shade Diamond, or I mean Style, I keep saying shade. So I really freaking like these, so we are going to go with these, but these are very pretty and dainty and super fluffy. So, but we're going to go ahead and do these ones. Alright, so lashes are on, so I'm going to go back to this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to put it under my brow. So we have foundation and concealer on. She did not send me any, so I just used what I have. I will list them down below so y'all can get it if you do like the way this looks. But now we're going to go in with the illuminating drops. She gave me the shade Golden Horizon. I will tell y'all the shades of those eyeshadows too if you are interested. So it just looks like this. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it up, but I'm going to. And it just... So that's how you empty it. So we're just going to pick a little bit up. Whoa.
Pooh, I don't want it right there.
I haven't set my face either. Since this is a liquid, you don't want to put a liquid over powder because that'll mess you up. So, just putting it where I highlight. Okay. And then I'm just going to take a little Eco Tools Beauty Blender and blend it in. You can use your finger, but I'm going to use a blender. I just have to be sure not to use this for foundation till I wash it, or my foundation will be really shimmery. Which that would be kind of cute if you put this like mixed in with your foundation. This is super glowy. I like it. So we're just going to blend her in. It doesn't seem to be leaving like streaks. You know how like some illuminators, they do that and it's so like ugly? It doesn't seem to be doing that. That is so pretty. Oops. Let me get that. Alright, so I went ahead and set everything and bronzed up and all that. And let me just tell you, those glow drops are still shining through even after all that powder. So I'm pretty impressed. But now we're going to go ahead and jump into the blush that she sent me. A really pretty shimmer, and it's super, super like hot pink. So we're going to see. But first, I'm going to go in with this little blush brush, and I'm just going to tap into it. Tap off the excess. Whoa! That is so pretty. I don't even know if y'all can tell, but oh my goodness. It's so like illuminating and glowy. It's like that one blush that I always use.
She's cute.
Oh, that looks so pretty. I like that. Ooh. Alright, so I went ahead and smoked out the lower lash line with that same plum color. So now we're going to go back with the mascara and do my lower lash line. Alright, so for the last step, we're going to go with the lipstick. So she did send me a full-size lipstick in the shade Bashful You, which is a nude. And I'm really happy with the shadows that I picked out and the lipstick because a really bright red would not go good with this look. You feel me? So this is what the lipstick looks like. And that's the color. So pretty. She did not send me a lip liner, so we are just going to go right in, and that is perfectly fine because I normally don't use lip liners regardless. So this lip is freaking stunning. It's very, very similar to the liquid lipstick that I wear from Unique. It's called Sublime. I freaking love this lipstick. So this is the finished look. If you like this look, please let me know down below. I'm actually really impressed with how the products worked out. So for a small little review, I don't like the shimmer shadows, but the matte one was really, really pigmented, really pretty. I really like it. Like, I'm gonna say really a lot, but it looks super pretty. So but the shimmers, like I said, they were super sheer. The blush was amazing. Same with the illuminating drops. The mascara, I didn't really play with that much because I have on falsies, but I will try a few looks where I do just mascara and we will test it out. But I really like how it looks on my lower lashes. It looks really pretty and it separates them really nicely. And my favorite of all was the lipstick. It is so pretty. I really like it. The Most Perfect Nude, super, not like coverage, I guess, like it's not a lot of coverage, it's like sheer, but it has like a little shimmer. I wish it was matte because that kind of sucks because I'm a matte girl, but I really, really like it. So that is the end of this video. If you do like it, please tell me down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All of my social media handles will be down below as well. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.